Booleans and strings. So first, let's create a string. And we'll put it as, this is my string. And we're going to test it. So just press enter. I've got a syntax error already. I had a space there accidentally. Hang on, copy and put this down here. Paste, enter. There we go. All good. Now let's check if it's all alphabetic. All right, so to do that, my string dot is alpha. And we should get true. But we've got a false because we've got spaces in there. Okay, so let's try that again. My string equals, should be my word, just a word, enter. And let's do this one again. So we should get a true. Excellent. Let's check if it is a number. So let's make it a number, a string number. All right, and then we'll go my string dot is digit. It is a digit. Is it alpha? Let's check that too. And false, which is great. That's exactly what we want that to do. Let's check if it's uppercase. So my string dot is upper. This will be interesting because it's a number. So it's going to return false. All right, so let's put this one to the test. So I'm going to recreate that string word. And I'm just going to copy and paste this just to test it out. Yep, returns false. Let's change this one again. Let's put just one uppercase in there. Should still return false in my opinion. Yep. All right, and then let's do one more. It's only if it's all uppercase. Go, and we will get a true here if all works well. Excellent. So that's another good Boolean you can test, and you can also test what the word starts with. So, but you have to be careful if it's upper or lower case. So things you can get around that is, change the word to lower case. Also, the thing that you're testing against, just change it to lowercase as well, so that you're always going to get an accurate result. All right. So let's say I'm going to convert this string to lower. Now to do that, we just do this lowercase. All right. So that's converted it to lowercase, and then I'm going to see if it starts with, okay, so starts with the letter W. Now remember we've changed it to capitals here. So I'm going to test it with a small w, and we should still get a true. Now I've got an error. Okay, let's have a look what it says. Lower, oh, okay. I think I've just got to do lower, not lowercase with changing it. So see, it says no attribute lowercase. Okay, so let's go back here and just try that. Awesome, so we get a true, and even if I do that again with a capital, yeah, so all right, how do we test it no matter what this is? So all we have to do is convert this to lower as well. So dot lower. Okay, and that'll convert that string. So if I put a capital in here accidentally, press enter, I'm still gonna get true. All right. Let's check what my string is. Yep, still capital W-O-R-D. And even if I check, so with this one too, I'd really want to convert it to lower, even though it is lower. But in this case, it will convert everything to lower, and you can check against that. So there's a lot of different Booleans you can try out. There's also the if-else statement, which you can use true or false to check these things as well. We'll have a look at those in another day. I just want to keep this short and fun. And yeah, so your challenge is to use all of these with whatever string you like. Maybe try with sentences, see what that will do. There is one where you can check if the string contains a space. So let's leave that as your challenge, is space. So all you have to do, if I'm writing a comment, use that one to check if there's a space in a sentence, and you'll get true or false. All right, have fun.